y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kid Indigo, and you may already know by the title, but in today's video I'm going to be attempting to install a wig on myself for the first time. I've never had a wig, weave, extensions, none of that. And usually for the first time you would like go to the hair salon and get your hair done and get like a professional stylist to do it. I'm gonna be doing everything by myself, not just putting on the wig, but like bleaching knots, customization, all of that. If this comes out bad, please don't grease me. This is my first time. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. So this is a wig. Her name is, what should we name? You look like a Carmen. She look like a Carmen, so we gonna name her Carmen. This is her. Okay, stiffness wear. I don't know much about wigs, but I know for one thing this wig ain't stiff. Okay, got this wig from mslynnhair. It's a 14-inch wig. So it looks like this because it's just been literally sitting on the wig head because I've just been so scared to put it on. But we're gonna try and we're gonna do all that today. I know the first thing that you have to do before you install a wig is braid your hair down. So I'm gonna braid my hair down. Disclaimer, I cannot cornrow for sure. I'm gonna cornrow it so my wig can sit as flat as possible and get right back to y'all. Okay guys, so I finished my meeks, and for somebody, like I said, I think that I did a pretty decent job on my meek. I look so bad, like, but anyway, we're gonna oil the scalp next because that's just what people do. That's just what you do. So now that that's out of the way, then we're gonna get to work on the wig. So from what I've watched in videos, usually people, they bleach the knots first. This is how the wig looks. This is like, I think 13 by 6 or something like that. They said you gotta bleach knots first. So we are going to bleach these knots. So usually how I see people do it is they turn the cap inside out as they get this developer, the bleach and developer, and they use these to bleach the knots. So this is the Cloud Professional Developer and the cream. No, this is the, I don't know what this stuff is. I don't know what this stuff is, but you're gonna mix it together and you're gonna bleach knots in the wig. So that is what I'm going to attempt to do. Looks like cocaine. Not that I know what that looks like. We did one thing right. We're not doing too bad right now. I guess I'm just gonna try to get all the lumps out. Bro, I don't even know what I'm... No, don't smell it. It's too much. Damn! Something doesn't look right. Now I'm going to put the bleach on the hair. Should really have a brush. Oh, I'm not gonna focus. I have to focus. Okay. Just this. We're gonna put this. I fucked up the wig. I should not have bleached the knot. Oh my god. It got on the hair. Never, ever doing this. Ever again. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. Where's the dang thing? So I have like Shimmer Lights color neutralizing shampoo and conditioner, and I'm gonna go wash this out. I'm gonna go wash it off the wig and get right back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back after that little fiasco with the hair dye, with the bleach. All right, let me give y'all an update. So y'all see how this part is more orange, so the bleach did end up running through. I didn't make it thick enough, so it ran through, and look what it did to the hair. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take a spoolie and I'm going to take black dye, and I'm going to re-bleach these parts. Not re-bleach, I'm going to re-dye these parts black, but with like a spoolie, like, you know, like the things they use for mascara. I'm going to re-dye that black, but while I'm waiting for my hair, for the hair to dry, I already started plucking one side. Y'all look at that. I'm still working on this side. I still got to pluck, unplugged. So it's not, for my first time, I'd say it's not bad, other than my little failure with bleaching the knots. The knots are bleached now, but other than that, then I just gotta dye this back black. And my friend said a lot of people make that mistake. First of all, shout out to SHEIN for really helping me through this, because girl, I've been struggling. These two wig experts have literally been helping me and stuff, but this is how we're looking so far in the plucking. So I'm just gonna take this and pluck this side, and then when I'm about to dye the hair back black, and I'll get back to y'all. Okay guys, so I finished the plucking. I just used these handy dandy tweezers, and let me show you how Carmen looks now. Like I said, I still gotta re-dye this, but for the most part, for my first time, this is really not bad. And I didn't want anything too like drastic, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's my first wig, my very first wig ever, my first time, so I didn't want nothing crazy. I just wanted it a little bit cleaned up, and oh my gosh, I think I'm in love. Wow. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Mixed up a little bit of black hair dye in this, and I'm gonna take a little mascara wand and spoolie and just dip it in there. Go in. I'm gonna do this around the whole perimeter of the wig and whatever parts are orange. Just finished putting the black dye on. I'm going to try to leave this on for as long as possible. But as you can see, we have no orange roots anymore, so this should hopefully look much better. We got Carmen looking good. I can't wait to see what this thing could do. I got a big cap, and I'm just going to try to do exactly what the people looks weird. This looks like a stocking. Okay, so what they usually do, what I see them do, is they put the cap over the their ears. Coconut. Okay, we can't do that. Stop. Be serious. So the next thing I'm gonna have to do is use this got to be spray along here. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, it's getting stuck. This stuff actually works. Okay guys, so this is how Carmen is looking. It's like 80% dry, and as you can see, then I did get rid of the orange. The camera isn't focusing, but if you really look at it, I did get rid of the orange tint by dyeing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin to prep the wig and, you know, start making it look good for the installation. So the first thing I'm gonna use is this wax stick. I don't know why I'm telling y'all what to do as if I know what I'm doing, but we are about to wax. It smells good. We're about to wax stick and hot comb. Wax stick right here, and I got a hot comb right here. Don't take my black part away. But I have never actually in my life used a hot comb before. Alright, so how do you push this up? Oh, it's like a glue stick. Okay, I'm going to apply this to the hair so that I can hot comb it and really get it in the right shape. I don't want to make it too greasy though, so that's for that part. I'm going to put the wax stick around the edges too. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn my hot comb on, and you just comb it. Oh my gosh, and you go like that. Is it hot yet? Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Or maybe not. Okay, that's decent. I got one side down, and wow, this looks really good. I really sat here and doubted myself. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of the wax stick in the back because the back is just so damn lumpy for some reason, and it never gave. Whoa, I am in shock right now. This is my first time ever touching hot combs and wax sticks and bleaching and all of, whoa, oh my, I did that, wow, wow. The plucking, I know y'all see the plucking. I don't even want to touch it, that's how great it looks. Bro, oh my God, it's on flat. So let's get right on with the install. I'm so excited. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is flat iron the hair. What I got is this regular flat iron and the heat protectant, and I'm gonna do this off camera because it's more of a hassle. Okay guys, so I finished flat ironing the wig. This is what I also cut it. I have to redo and bump the ends and stuff like that and recut some parts, but I'll figure all of that out when I put it on. So let's get to installing. So I'm gonna have to cut the wig cap off. Take some foundation and put that on my cap. I don't know if you're supposed to go in with foundation that's exactly your shade, or I don't know. To wipe the perimeter around where I just put the thing so there's no oils or anything. Okay, I think that's good enough. I also heard that this is a hack for melting the pieces that didn't stick up. I'm just gonna spray a little bit, the got to be spray. Going to take the inside of my wig and basically put all the makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to spray some got to be freeze spray lightly on the interior of the cap. This is our wig. So cool. It said cut off excess lace. Is there excess lace to really be cut off? So I just got this Wonder Lace Bond glue. Clear yet? Yeah, they said let it dry clear before I put another coat on, so I'm going to do that. Come back to y'all. Nobody told me waiting for glue to dry would take this long. Like, damn, come on now. Good morning. Okay, y'all, so I'm patient, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this down. Oh my gosh, I never marked how far down I was going. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna tie this down as tight as possible. Ow. And what we're gonna do while we wait for this lace to melt is figure out why the hell the rest of my hair is looking so damn greasy right now. I knew I would mess up. Apparently I put too much of the damn wax stick, and now I look mad. This shit looks so greasy right now. And I'm so mad because everything was going so well. Bro, look how freaking shiny I look. I also just got some grub from McDonald's. The mango smoothies be hitting too, but what are we doing? I lost the dang spray. Heat protectant, I'm just gonna flat iron this, you know, bump it a little bit because like I'm just rushing at this point because I just really want to eat my big breakfast from McDonald's. We have food at home. I just didn't. Goodness. Okay, let's not rush anymore. Actually, okay, guys. So I fixed it. It's not the perfect bob, but I'm not good at this stuff. So what I'm gonna do is, I know y'all see this part over here that's been over bleached. Should I wait to take that off to deal with that, or I'm gonna do it now because yellow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this down here. Okay. We want it down here. Why do I feel like it's just not getting the spot? Okay, go. Am I bugging? Okay, yeah, so let's take this off now. I don't know if I left it for long enough, but it's just really hurting. I'm so sorry, excuse me. I promise you I was raised better than that. Ow. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna hide that because it really is killing the vibe right now. Okay, it literally is only this, and you know what I'm going to do? Oh my gosh, guys. Wow. 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 I don't even think I need to touch it, but go for that. Oh my gosh, guys. This is my first time. Gosh, my hair looks so wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is like, my mind is still blown. Like, I actually really did this and did a decent job. Imagine, I was really gonna pay someone to do this. I feel like it's just something that you gotta try to learn how to do. And I was also fearful of installing a wig on myself because I thought that I'd mess it up, but I just did. Wow. That's all I could say is wow. This is the final result, and I hope that you guys found this video helpful. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell so that you can get post notifications and be notified each and every single time that I post on this channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll definitely stay tuned for more content, and I will see y'all on the next one. Indigo out.